Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, and we are looking at Hope's puppies. I brought all the males, all the chocolate males up here. So that's a chocolate male, that's a chocolate male, that's a female, male, and that's a silver. We know whose that is. So there it is. So this is all, hey Google, volume 2. There it is. So Rich Bowers showing Hope's litter. So everybody's doing good. Hey, Molly, go lay down. There they are. They're eating, everybody's looking good, looking healthy. Hey, stop it. For some reason, Molly and Faith bark at each other, but when they're together out in the run, they don't. I don't know why. So there they are. Everybody's looking beautiful and healthy. We got a couple more days and we'll be in Pennsylvania with these beauties. The Pennsylvania kennel gonna get beautified. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, looking at Hope's puppies. See you later, and God bless.